Yeah, time for CTC Connect. It's where I tell you what's going on in our community, and it's going to benefit you. Just 1 second. All right, now that we've taken care of that, starting Monday and every Monday in September, you're going to have a chance to win a CTC t-shirt. It's one of these two designs on the bottom. We couldn't decide which one, so we figured we just order both. But each Monday, there's going to be a particular thing you have to do, like maybe follow us on Facebook, share a post. Each Monday, you do that, you have a chance on Friday, a chance to win one of these brand new CTC t-shirts that we got.
Hey, I wear a double X.
They're for the customer.
Could still use some of those shirts, man.
Customers.
Double X.
And lastly, be on the lookout next week for a big announcement. I technically shouldn't be saying nothing now, but I think I'm good because I'm not saying exactly what it is, but I'm probably not supposed to tell you. But either way, next week, early next week sometime, be on the lookout for a big announcement. I'm not supposed to tell nobody, like nobody.
Can you tell me?
Yeah, sure. So there you have it. Another CTC Connect wrapped up in the books. Like I said, be on the lookout early next week for a big announcement. Still can't tell you what it is. But more importantly, starting next Monday and every Monday in September, be on the lookout for a post to tell you what you need to do to try to score yourself a new CTC t-shirt.